Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, mga kachika.
Welcome
Welcome
to
to
the
Welcome
Three
Three
to the
Moms
Moms
and
and
Three
One
Moms
Mic.
and One Mic, where motherhood meets real talk, laughs, lessons, and konting kalat.
We're the three moms, one mic, and walang filter. Mm.
All right, guys. So we are going to start. This is our first ever episode. And so, among introduce among selves para kailasad mo sa amo ano. So ako si Mariza. I have two kids. I have one 4-year-old, a really hyper 4-year-old. He just turned 4 actually. And then I have a my youngest is a little diva. She just turned 2 too. I'm also a stay at home, no, full-time mom and nanny. Diri sa balay. Nanny diri sa balay. Yeah, yeah, doing all the house chores 24/7. Alam mo jud no motherhood. That's given. Part-time, part-time uh kanang part-time nurse, no, part-time student per diem nurse, o, 'di ba? And then I'm a wife of a military, so he's here and he's not here. Ana jud ang life. If he's deployed, he's deployed. And so without further ado, I'm gonna give the mic to who's
Darl.
next?
Darl.
Darl
Uh,
Ann.
Darl lang, uy.
Ay, Darl.
I'm
Ay, cut
Darl.
ako.
I'm Darl. I'm a mom of two. I have one daughter and one son. My daughter's already 14, turning 15 this year, and she's already almost full like me. Maldita. And I have one 2-year-old son, very smart, very cunning, but super duper funny good, like a clown. And I'm a stay-at-home mom and a wife. Unfortunately, me and my husband are on a long distance right now. He's in Abu Dhabi and I'm here. But soon we'll be reunited. And more about me, everything. I like, because I don't have a choice. I like to cook, I like to bake, I like to clean. But outside of the home, I'm pretty much chilled as long as I have friends around, whatever floats or whatever floats flow.
Either or will do.
Wala na yun. Vocabulary out na. Okay, I'll pass the mic to Queenie.
Nindot siya, pass the mic. Okay,
Ay,
okay. Hello, everyone. So, three moms and one mic. I'm Queenie, a proud mom of three, dalawang boys, and what one little princess. My eldest is 10 years old, a boy officially entering the preteen era. And the second one is 6 years old boy also, full of energy and endless questions. And the third one is our bunso. He's 2 years old, our tiny boss here at home. I'm a full-time hands-on mom and also a seaman's wife. So yes, medyo sobrang strong tayo dito because the daddy is away. Mommy is full-time, 24/7. Kaya my hobbies, so for now, we will, sa whole day nga as a full-time mom, mag-prepare sa mga bata and then once a week, I have my time to do meet my friends with life group and Sunday at church, going to church. And that's the life of the hands-on and a long distance husband. That's all. Thank you. The mic.
Goes back to me. Okay. And we are looking forward na and trying na every week we meet up, we edit, and then we upload. Hope and then muna wala gusto lang mi mag-ano ani, mag-podcast kay murag dugay na kay ko sige ingon na gusto jud ko mag-podcast but what really made us like really push this through? It's really hard, no? Kay you guys are we we three have a different time zones. At the same time, we have all our responsibilities and mga mommies. At the same time, mga ano pa, yaya yata, ano pa, wifey pa ta sa gabi, no? Ana jud nang life. Ay ako ra di ay karon karon bulana. So yeah, actually ganahan kanang murag one day na ano lang jud ko na murag, how about i-push through then nag-communicate din ko sa inyo duha, 'di ba? And then it just went so smooth na ato na kani i-push kay para chika-chika sad ta sa mga moms na what we went through, unsa atong mga experiences, unsa unya guys no negativities okay kay we are all in different ano like lahi tag giagihan, we have different experiences and we are ano each individual pod lahi atong pag-take, ang atong ang anong sa tawag ana fill in the blanks. So, ikaw kamo unsa man ang inyohang napauo man mo sa ako, 'di ba? Grabe, thank you kaayo sa nga tanan 'no, my beloved cousins 'no, ano na sige na lang gud uy masking gusto man akong idagaw na buang naman jud ni siya, pero what made you guys say yes? So, okay, the mic
Who's
goes
Mike?
to Kukay.
Who's
Sorry,
Mike?
sorry naman. So,
To me?
yeah, to you.
Okay. Actually, me and Langga, I'll just call her Langga because I'm already used to calling her Langga. So me and Langga, we've been talking about this since 2023,
3, yeah.
2023, 2023. But unfortunately, we're busy. Both of us just had our babies, gave
Mhm.
birth, and we're busy with motherhood and as a wife. And then, still, actually, I keep thinking about it for ano na, for 2, 3 years na siguro. Then I'm just waiting for someone lang. And then later on, just recently, she reached out na, ano na siya, nag-message na siya sa MUA, nag-make na siya group. So I didn't hesitate to say yes. Kay, again, we all have our own battles. We have maybe my battle, somebody can relate,
Mhm.
and at least that person will think, I'm
I'm
not
not
alone.
alone. Yeah.
I have someone, she can relate with me. And, ano ba? And also, to be honest, wartag yun. Base, base dahil naman, ano, tama. Tagadi ma,
Maka-monetize.
maano ta ba ma, sa gani ma, uy, masikat-sikat eh, ta, no?
Oo,
There's a
no?
song man pod aiming for that kay. Siyempre, dili man pod ta gusto nga mag-fully depend na lang sa itong mga husbands, no? Dapat na,
Mhm.
dapat ato kwarta.
Natay pang shopping, girl.
Pero dili, I mean, that money man kay, ano lang, for, ano lang, wala good for other self-care, kana good.
Mhm.
Self-care,
Parang
dapat
like
na
a
kay
chika for being a
mm.
friend,
And
you know.
also, a company and somebody who can listen ba sa itong mga problems, dili lang kay sa family, and
Mm.
most especially sa mga kids gyud.
Yeah.
Kay we are all learning, not dili man lang sa ourselves, but we will learn gyud sa kita, ano ba, kita cousins, other
Yeah.
moms, and kita-kita ra gyud ang mag-support
Yeah.
sa
Like how you
lain.
dealt with your giunsa nimo ni ana then makita
Yes.
nimo sa uban mom na hala ka basin
Yes, I
effective day
thought that
ni.
I'm just handling. I thought I'm the only one who's having this situation. But then because of social media, na good. Dili lang day ako no, daghan jud di ay me.
Yeah.
And that's the power of social media, food and podcast.
Yeah. If
So
we
our
use it
voice
in a
will not
nice
only, yes, in a good way, nice
Mhm.
way, kind way. Ano. Okay, Mommy Mel.
Mommy Mel, the mic is here.
Okay, food ko din yeah, because I know nga
Oo.
this idea ni Maris, eh, siyempre kami as a mom nga naapod tay murag once a week, we need to have time for ourselves nga maka-talk to each other like, sometimes naaman tay mga certain topic lang gyud nga kumusta. Unlike this one nga maka-open ta topic, about motherhood, struggles nato, at least maka-share ta kay lahi man jud nang maka-share ta sa especially sa family nato kay we know nga tong bata pa ta lahi gyud ato ang topic, lahi atong karon man good is different natong experience, excited na ta na if na kamoy gina-look forward sa amo every week sa amo ang podcast, kami pod also is excited pod me nga every week we have also maka-discover pud mi nga naa pud di ay mi nga ma-learn sa ilaha ug naa pud mi ma-share pud if naa mi unsay situation nga pwede namo i-share because at the end of the day pagkahuman sa amo ang podcast, ma'am pud mi after and then a wife, then we're just learning each other and grow together kay wa man mi kabalo if kanus ami magkita pa at least dire ma-update mi sa each
Oo,
other,
jud.
personal or mga breakthroughs namo nga puwede namo ma-share sa inyuha and also pod sa amuang mga sa mga listeners namo nga soon nga madaghan pod mo nga excited pod mo sa amuang success together sa inyuha. Oh, 'di ba? Oh, I will pass the mic to
Oh,
our
yeah.
na kuan, that's the host
Okay,
of
to
the
me na, okay. Okay. Nag-lag ko. Ako ADHD brain. Anyway, thank you so much, Queen. So, we will start since na-explain na namo ang why we came up doing this podcast. And thank you so much, cousins, and as well as among viewers, among audience na hopefully na amoy ma-learn sa amo, na pud mi ma-learn sa inyo ha. So we're gonna start off with our first episode talking about or describing about motherhood. What is motherhood? Kay that's what we are. I'm a mom. Darl is Kukay is a mom. Queen is a mom. So and yeah, so we'll start off kay Kukay. I'll pass the mic to Kukay. Invincible mic. Go ahead. You can start off.
Good.
Ikaw ballpen.
the mic.
Ballpen. Motherhood. Siguro ang motherhood para sa ako kay murag all in one gyud siya. Dili ko mag Dili ko pwede mag-depend actually sa akong husband when it comes to motherhood. And I should not expect him also to be like a mother because he has a different responsibility man. But being a mother or a mother is gentle, at the same time firm, gentle because a mother should act like a gentle
Mm-hmm.
because the kids will learn ba maka-learn sila sa yung pagka-gentle na sa ba gentle ka in a way good na mag-act ka when it
Mm-hmm.
comes to problems, um, how you deal with stress, ano ba, how you deal with uh, pressure moments or kanang pressure kay ka, that should come, dila na yata para sa ko, dila mag-enter ang gentleness. And then, firm, you have to be firm with how you, your kids ba, discipline your kids. So, a mother stand or stance is always the one na mag-balance ba? Mag-balance yun ang mother.
Mm.
We cannot ano that one to our husband because again they have a different responsibility, but kita man gud ang mother, kita ang mag-balance sa home, inside the home, between the kids and our husband. And then kita could actually ang mother ang peacemaker sa house. Kay if actually if we
Hala.
are not peace man good, if we are
Sakto
not
na pero
peace
hala
man
ka.
good, we are not peace, actually the home will be a chaos.
That's true.
Kay again, ang kids gani no maka-learn man gid na siya sa dili man lang pud actually sa ato but more on sa ato because we are the ones
The
who
first
are
teachers.
always
Yeah.
or like 90% that all the time at home and they
Mm.
always see that they always copy what we do ano ba so again balance we are like ano ba weighing scale so for me in short motherhood is a balance. Okay, Mommy Mel.
Oh, ako na. Ang sa to ang question, what
Oh, it's what is
if I were
motherhood,
What?
okay?
if I were
Tayo sa akin, magkuha sa isang kudigo, guys.
nagpasa ko di
Go.
this to describe motherhood, motherhood is natay lailahing definition sa motherhood kay depende different man ta og
Isa kay mo
stage sa
camera
life
gamay,
like
di ka makita.
di makita kanina lang dali lang ako
Oh,
mo
yeah. Sorry, guys. Sorry,
as
guys.
if I were to describe motherhood lahi ta og definition ana kay because again we are have different roles in our house and different struggles right for me right now I have the three different parenting styles and as a mother I must to have taas long taas ang pasensya og taas pod ko og taas ko og kusog para nila kay for me sa stage nga nanata sa mother lahi na gid to ato ang kusog sa una ug karon nga mother na ta kay dili tanan jud nga gitagaan og chance mo og hands-on mom og mother.
Sorry, guys.
Ang motherhood is fulfilling ug kapoy gyud kaayo. Like every day naatay ma-learn sa ilaha, naapod tay ma-learn pud sa tong self nga ma-discover nga kaya day nato ni dili gyud ni nako dili na
Mhm.
kita ni way nga ang nabalaan sa atong self kay kita ang mga children kay kita man ang tig-nurture sa ato ang mga anak like sa household kita ang gisaligan mo na ato ang role as a mother nga nurture sa atong kids so we must build uh, sakto nga ways nga ato ang ways na naandan na atong nadakan nga dili nato siya apply sa ato ang mga kids karon because ang motherhood sa una lahi karon og lahi pud ang motherhood sa una og lahi na pud karon so we must learn sa atong self ug mag-learn pud ta sa ato ang mga kids nga dili lang sa mag-focus sa ato ang self nga mother is a big role jud nga sa ato tanan diri sa kalibutan nga kinahanglan ta nga mahimo tang kuan strong para sa atong mga anak ug sa ato ang asawa because again motherhood is different struggle different situation and different definition and I thank you. I will pass the mic to Mariza.
Oh, back to me na. Okay.
I think this is it because it's already time. So I'm gonna wrap things up and then recap what we talk about. It's about motherhood, unsa ang amuang na feel as a mothers, as mothers, and then by next week we're gonna be talking about a different topics, or if naamoy gusto ninyo na among i-tackle about, and we can dive into that and maybe open depende sa topic, no, we can maybe open personal stuff. But this podcast is kanang no judgment ever, okay? No negativities, because we're moms, we don't want all the negativities, because that's the reason why we are here. Kay gusto lang lang ta mo hatag og, unsa ang experience namo muni nahitabo muni ang ano. All right, so that's it. We'll see you soon.
Where the mic may be one, but the opinions are many.
All right, guys. See you next episode. Same moms, same mic. I guess same mic, new chica. So please like, follow, share, subscribe, and everything else.